Well, so the motor is out. Got it all pulled. I'm going to pull the harness back out and everything else accordingly. Alright, took off everything off the side of the engine. It's kind of grimy, so I'm about to power wash it. I'm not worried about the head because I'm not using it, so. Getting it cleaned up, putting piston rings in. Got the old rings out, got them pretty much cleaned up, new bearings in. Toyota manual, new bearings, feeler gauges and whatnot. Time to get ready. Alright, I am about to put the pistons in the block. I have all my bearings, everything good. I have my piston rings all gapped and whatever. You know, I put them all in here and feeler gauged them all out according to my book over there. Now I've got some transmission fluid, of course. I'm going to kind of clean everything off again, and I'm going to put oil on everything with that little oil pump back there, and of course use assembly lube. Just going to clean everything down, oil it all up, then put it in and hope it all works. We'll see how it goes. Alright, so the block, well, the short block is together. I put all the pistons in and whatnot. It spins nicely. Looks like it's doing really good. Don't know how it looks on camera. So now I'm going to put the head on it and get the oil pan in it the next few days, and I'll put it back in the beast. Alright, got the timing belt on, got all my little gears on. I gotta put the cover on in a second. I got a brand new tensioner pulley, put my new water pump on. Some of it looks a little crappy. Yeah. Now my least favorite part, I gotta pull this stupid pin out and set the timing like so, and it slowly increases the tension to the way it needs to be, I guess. That's very important to do it the way I did it, not any other way. So yeah.